In this video, I'm going to show the process of performing a catalog rebuild from a disk media set that is saved on a Drobo or NAS device. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Media Sets, and under Media Sets, I'm going to click the option that says Rebuild. After I click on Rebuild, I'm going to choose Disk and click on Next. And then I'm going to click Add Member. And in this case, I need to click Add Share in order to add that network share to Retrospect. So I would enter in a path like SMB:// the IP address / and then the share name, followed by the login credentials. And then click Add. Then the volume will be added to Retrospect, and I can click Next. Retrospect will then display a list of available media sets that can be rebuilt. I'm going to select the media set I want and click on Next. And then I'm going to click Rebuild. And then Retrospect will ask me, where do I want to save the catalog file for this particular media set? And the default location should be Library, Application Support, Retrospect, and then Retrospect Catalogs. Now if I go to Activities and I go to Running, Retrospect will show that the catalog rebuild has begun.